You've lost a wheel off your trailer. Your rear wheel, left-hand side. It's about 500 meters back.
I'm only happy when it rains.
Holy fucking shit! Fuck me!
Jesus Christ! Fucking hell, love!
Asshole.
Every time somebody tries to get me to get
Not gonna hire you.
they wake up with feelings they want it, but little they know.
You fucking what?
Fuck on, you wanker. Nobody knows how to use a stop sign. Unfucking believable.
Over the speed limit. You are 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 over the speed limit.
Whoa! What the fuck? Holy shit! What the fuck is this? Oh, you'll be fucking kidding me.
And Scott Morrison today saying that he's sought advice from the Solicitor General. He's now received that. He's taking that into account, getting a little bit more advice than we expect to hear a decision on that in coming days or weeks.
Stephanie Borra speaking from our Parliament House Bureau to Joe O'Brien. It's about 12 Eastern Daylight Time, South Australia now, 11:15, quarter to 11 in Queensland, and the time in the Northern Territory is 10:15, and that's 9:45.
And that idiot goes around the corner. Two dumbasses.
Holy fucking frog. You want to die?
Look at all that protective gear. Nice!
What the fuck?
And that's close to you, hey?
Yeah.
So I don't know yet. I have to check my time.
Done this in a while, but boy, oh boy, Peter, it's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week. Or maybe of the year.
I may be one of our men, I'm a bitch. Even if the world had value, I'd still give me the shits. Rich, poor, less, more, they shit me. And I'll tell him, fat, thin, they shit me. Black, white, left, right, they shit me.
Tuesday she's a bitch and Wednesday to Saturday she's a bitch. Then on Sunday just to be different she's a super king. Kamehameha, bitch. Come on, you all know the word. Have you ever met my friend Cos mom? She's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. To me no bitch and she has stupid hair. She's a bitch, 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 bitch. Bitch, 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 bitch. She's a stupid bitch. She's a big fat fucking bitch. Big old fat fucking bitch.
That's a good one, mate. Good one. Oh my God. Stop your dick.
First order, so download the DoorDash app for every feed and every need. To celebrate 2021, Thirsty Camel is giving one lucky shopper $21,000, which could buy you 300 bottles of champagne. 6
What are you doing? You're making me mad!
Yes, sir.
Fucking mad!
What are you doing?
Irish.
Oh yeah, it's the Repo Man. Big Ron and his sidekick Bobby coming to take your toys. Here they go, wave goodbye.
I'd rather give a grizzly bear a back rub with a handful of razor blades than to have to deal with Repo Ron. He's creeping while you're sleeping. This is your final notice and you know you will be weeping. Oh, when you see your truck is gone. If you think that you're slick, then you better think quick. 'Cause your truck just got picked and you just got licked. When it comes to urban tactics like taking your toys, lizard lick towing on some good old boys. rather be home watching Grey's Anatomy than dealing with some crackhead from the hills. As you pick up a stick, guess what? Bobby already